Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're all fine and well. Welcome back to another video with me. We're here in Woodley, just the outskirts suburbs of Stockport, just past Romley. Yeah, this old mill from 1860s, originally built for cotton spinning, and it's had loads of transformations since then. And yeah, now it's derelict since 2003, I believe. So let's see if we can gain access in here today. Come and join us. A little storage area. Can you imagine back in the day? Four-storey building. Let's see if we can get in it. This 1860s mill. Got a mate who might be coming today as well, the Urban Legend UK, and I forgot he told me about this as well not long ago. And you know, when you're just doing other quick explores, you completely just forget about them. And wasn't too recent. John, a friend of mine, who runs a website called Derelict Manchester. I'll put a link in below to both of the channels actually, to the Urban Legends as well. And yeah, go over there and have a look at some of the pictures he puts on there. Pretty good. So a nice one, John. And the Urban Legend UK too. Back to the video. Back to the video. Nothing to see here. Have a look at this bit before we go in that hole in the wall. That looks like the only access point at this part of the building. Wow. It's like an underground there, doesn't it? Interesting. But I won't be going under there on my own. You just don't know, do you? Try and keep the camera steady as possible on the tripod. Watch your foot in this bit. Oh. Hello! Anybody here? Is it worth going in? Whole room. We'll check that out in a minute. Ceilings had fire damage. Check the floors, no open grids to fall down. Well, look at them floors gone up there. No, I don't think, have they gone? Or is that where they had machinery? Because it's too clean, isn't it, for the floors to go? They must have had machinery there. Yeah, I can picture it back in the day. Let's imagine what it was like back in the day. Yeah. Don't really need the torch on. Down here anyway. It's pretty light. Yeah, that's what it's all about. You've got to watch where you're walking. Always look around everywhere. That's what I was talking about. Don't want to twist the ankle out. Oh. Little lift shaft. Bet there's loads of crap in that. What's just been chucked down and whatnot. Gee. Oh, that's a long way up there, isn't it? Can you hear the birds up there or something banking? Or is it paranormal? If you don't do paranormal, just explore. You hear things, but most of the time it's just pigeons or things blowing, what are hanging off the walls and ceiling. But when you're a paranormal channel, yeah, it's always, what was that noise? What was that noise? Crazy. Oh, there's the stairs. Alrighty then. See, things like that, light fittings, sometimes they can just blow around. Oh, these stairs are safe. Yeah, concrete, aren't they? Should be. So if Will does come, I'm guessing he'll probably try and get over that way, park your car over there somewhere. I come from the canal where we bike. Well, I'm guessing most of these floors are just going to be like this. Dodgy. Good job I've got a tripod with me. The cracks. That's where we started off, didn't we? My bike's still there. Yeah, I can see it. So, see the floor. So imagine how busy this was back in the day. I mean, all the floors are just going to be like this. Just wide open spaces. There's the bike on the corner. This one looks dodgy. Okay, old brick. See, it's mostly like this. Just an empty shell now, isn't it? That's it. That's it. Look at that. Manchester there in the distance. Nice. Did you hear that? Near the gates? Is that a car up there on the corner or what? Here's a car. Ah. Yeah, very dangerous these places are. I definitely wouldn't recommend coming in on your own. Or if you do, just try and be safe and tell someone where you're going. What's that sound there? Stored items, flooring, blue boy items, equipment cleaning. Alrighty then. Yeah, you definitely don't need to walk all the way along to the other side just to say, oh look, I've just walked along to the other side. You know, it's dangerous. And you can see what's on the other side, you don't need to walk over there. Right, let's get out of this building. I think I should have some lunch now. Have my meal deal. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to put a like. Comment down below if you know anyone who works here from the start or when it had other businesses in here going on before it closed in 2003. Drop a comment down below or just say hello. Alright ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe, bye for now.